The Invitrogen Power Supply Adapter set allows you to connect the covered power leads of electrophoresis units to certain power supplies. For example, some power supplies from Bio-Rad Laboratories and Thermo Scientific. It is important to turn off the power supply before plugging adapters into the power supply. Each power supply adapter set consists of 2 adapters and 1 hex wrench. The adapter head should be in a closed position. This is the open position. This is the closed position. Match the color of the adapter to the power supply receptacle. Ensure that the adapter is inserted into the center of the power supply receptacle and seated. Using the supplied hex wrench, tightly secure the adapters into the power supply receptacles. Continue turning the hex wrench until resistance is felt. Do not over-tighten. The adapter may wiggle, but will not come out. Now you're ready to plug in the corresponding color-coded leads to the adapted power supply.